We provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
पहलगाम आतंकी हमले और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद भारत की ओर से चलाए जा रहे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कूटनीतिक अभियान के दौरान वॉशिंगटन डीसी में एक अनोखा नजारा देखने को मिला, जब कांग्रेस सांसद डॉक्टर शशि थरूर से सवाल पूछने वाले कोई और नहीं बल्कि उनके बेटे ईशान थरूर निकले। ईशान पेशे से जर्नलिस्ट हैं। उन्होंने अपने पिता शशि थरूर से मजाकिया लहजे में सवाल पूछने की इजाजत मांगी। इस दौरान शशि थरूर और वहां मौजूद सभी लोग मुस्कुराने लगे।
I'm curious though, on this tour you've been on, various countries in the Western Hemisphere, have any of your government interlocutors asked you to show evidence of Pakistan's culpability in the initial attack? And what do you say to the repeated Pakistani denials of having any hand in the initial attack?
Very simply, no one had any doubt, and we were not asked for evidence. But media have asked, and so you are speaking for your tribe in that in 2 or 3 places media asked this question. Let me say very clearly that India would not have done this without convincing evidence. But there were 3 particular reasons I want to draw your attention to, all of you. The first is that we've had a 37-year pattern of repeated terror attacks from Pakistan, accompanied by repeated denials. I mean, Americans haven't forgotten that Pakistan didn't know, allegedly, where Osama bin Laden was until he was found in a Pakistani safe house right next to an army camp in a cantonment city. That's Pakistan. Mumbai attacks, they denied having anything to do with it. One of the terrorists was captured alive, his name, his identity, his address in Pakistan, everything was revealed. Under interrogation, he told us where he was trained, what was done. The US intelligence, as well as ours, recorded the chilling voice of the Pakistani handler giving minute-by-minute instructions to the killers in Mumbai, telling them where to go, and they were monitoring Indian TV and saying there are people hiding on the 3rd floor of that hotel, go and shoot them there. This kind of thing is going on. Your sources recorded this too. So we know what Pakistan's all about. They will dispatch terrorists, they will deny they did so until they're actually caught with red hands. That's the first. So I agree you're going to say, but that's circumstantial. Sure. Second point. The moment this happened, within 45 minutes or so of this happening, the terrorist attack, a group called the Resistance Front claimed credit. Who are the Resistance Front? They're a well-known proxy front of the Lashkar-e-Taiba, a banned organization listed by the United Nations, listed by the US State Department, which enjoys safe haven in the town of Muridke in Pakistan. The Resistance Front, evidence about the Resistance Front and its doings was presented by India to the UN Committee on Terrorism in December 2023 and repeatedly again in 24.
और चलिए अब आपको सुनवाते हैं आखिर ईशान थरूर का सवाल क्या था और शशि थरूर ने उसका क्या जवाब दिया।
That shouldn't be allowed. This is my son.
Ishan Tharoor of the Washington Post, definitely asking a question in personal capacity, and mostly to say hi before you go off to your next engagement.
Raise the mic.
Mostly to say hi before you go off to your next engagement. I'm curious though, on this tour you've been on, various countries in the Western Hemisphere, have any of your government interlocutors asked you to show evidence of Pakistan's culpability in the initial attack? And what do you say to the repeated Pakistani denials of having any hand in the initial attack?
Okay, well, I'm very glad you raised this, Ishan, though I didn't plant it, I promise you. This guy does this to his dad.
जहाँ भक्ति है हर शब्द में, कथाओं में छुपे हैं दिव्य रहस्य और ज्योतिष देता है जीवन को दिशा। धर्म से जुड़ी हर बातों को जानने के लिए हमारे चैनल स्तुति को सब्सक्राइब करें। चैनल पर जाने के लिए इस लिंक पर क्लिक करें।